City of Legazpi, hello! City Health of Legazpi. Good morning, City Government of Nutrition, Ligaya, City Health. Good morning! Good morning po! Hi, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning po. Just one. Let's go. Good morning po. Good morning. Ayun, food at nutrition security maging priority sa pagkain, karapatan natin ayon para sa mga bata. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Kikit na mga kids. Lamba, Legazpi City. Good morning everyone. Good morning po. Ayan, mga taga Lamba. Ayan. Malapit na tayo sa Maslog. Good morning po. Ayan, Barangay Lamba. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Barangay 459, Puro. Good morning, Barangay Puro.
Good morning.
Parang hindi pa nag-almusal. Good morning, everyone. Barangay Puro. Ayan, yung madalas natin puntahan every morning. Good morning. Ayan. Good morning po. Ayun, ang ganda ng green. Parang mag-green brigade lang tayo. Good morning po. Hello, Kabuga. Kabuga, Legazpi City. Good morning po. Ang cute ng mga kids. Ay, may mga gulay sila, oh. Ay, wow. Very good, very good. Very good. Tamaw yan. And then, padang. Nagdikit-dikit na kayo. Ayan, okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Hintayin natin dun, ha. Ayan. Barangay Tamaw yan, Legazpi City. Ayan. Food and nutrition. Ayun. Opo. Dahil nagtatara.